up, YouTube? Today I got a special thing to show y'all today. Just know it's gonna be fantastic if you haven't already seen it on my channel. But I'm about to go on a little cruise with my guys, and here we come. As you see, I kept the RT still. That should tell y'all something, what's gonna really go on. Still got the old reliable 5.7. My boy. Jesus, in the snow, you see it? Jesus. So check it out real quick before we get going. Sheesh. My boy.
What's the word?
My boy in the kitty cat in the snow. You see it?
You know.
In the snow. What this is, my boy?
You know, it's a red eye, you know.
It's a little red eye.
Big red eye, you know, not
Wide body, got the Brimbies.
major. You know.
Talk to him nice.
Big red eye.
Talk to him nice.
No, you feel me? You know, not major.
But alright, I'm finna get back to y'all. We finna go get my little surprise for the channel, and we'll be right back at it. Yo, we back. We headed to the unit. Of course, I got it in storage. It already given you a hint, like I said. But yeah, I just wanna show y'all for once, because we are bringing it out, like I said, in the snow. We getting a little active today. We'll try to record as much as I can without being too excited, because it's the first time my boy came in town with the red eye. This is the first time, or second time I'm seeing it in person, but the first time I was at work, so I didn't really, you know, get to twerk it or look at it. Here we come with a little flyby. Let's see. There, get it. That thing nasty. But yeah, so I just wanted to get things rolling for you guys. Alright, I'm gonna get back to the storage unit though, and I'll get right back to y'all. Start this thing in a week, so it should be a good cold.
Oh yeah, go ahead and start this bitch up. Hold on.
Start.
Hold on. Peep the wheels. I'm recording on 2 phones. Don't say shit to me.
Alright, we got power. We got power.
Oh. Hell kitty.
Go ahead, pop that mirror up. Oh, there, I got it.
Oh.
That mirror.
Start this bitch.
I should have a full tank of gas and all. So
Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. We about to start this bitch up. Hold on.
You ready for this?
I am ready.
Let's get it. 1, 2, 3. We secured the Hellcat, man. We secured it, man. You know how I go. Let me get this thing out though. We're gonna get back to you when we get going. Just came to fill up. I'm done already. I had to put $6 in. You feel me? We pulled up to Chevy. They didn't want no static though. So we back out here, yeah. A little $40. Something like. Quick little 40, we finna get moving though. We waiting on my other guy to meet up with us, so we're gonna go from there. We back with it. Just put up to my boy crib, scooped him up, finna get this little cruise going. You know how I go. Out here decent.
You feel me?
Sheesh. He tried to put a screw in my shit. My shit stripped, he said. Oh yeah, I see it. This bro shit though.
Show that car.
subscriber.
Yeah, that bitch clean.
Going crazy. Make sure y'all go follow his Instagram. We also in the same group, Charger Outlaws. He ain't in the group because we Chargers only, but you know how that's go. We gonna figure that out in the long run.
You got a rag on?
Yeah. Maybe. It is YouTube. But yeah, man, so we back. Still waiting. I'm trying to get the right screw for my plate. But yeah, bro, so I got the Cat. Best feeling. A huge difference from my RT. I'm gonna make a video on like explaining the difference, the feeling, the power, bro, that these cars have, man. It's a huge difference. I was very happy with my purchase. I think I did a good thing keeping my RT as well. That's another thing. Like I said, I did keep the RT, and just a good feeling, y'all. Like y'all understand, bro. It's just something about the power, bro. Just knowing you made that purchase that you wanted. One of my dream cars. A good feeling, dude. Like I couldn't ask for a better car right now. Like sucks that it's winter. I got it in winter, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I seen it. They say I can keep the RT as well. Don't even gotta trade it in. And I got the steel, and it is what it is. So that's what we did. Yo, we back, man. We on the E. We going crazy with it. We going crazy with it. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can without being too excited, man. But we out here. We moving these mugs. Moving in, bro. This is, when I tell y'all, this is the funnest shit, bro. Like, got bro with me, all white, bro. Somebody snapped me when I put it on Snap talking about the Polar Bear Boys. Funny as hell. I just call us neutral. Neutral trio. Since we all black and white, neutral. In Mexico, of course. Only in Mexico. Always in Mexico. Nothing better than Mexico. Just moving these joints. Everybody looking. Everybody like, what the fuck? Fake miles per hour, everything fake. Moving. everybody with us. Got the red eye and the scat pack. Funny story, while we were headed to go, we were originally going to go get my dash cam. It's in the back. Somebody was following us, and we don't know if he was like having fun with us or not. It was like in a Honda SUV. Funny story, and he was just following us. We ended up having to pull over to see if he was like following us, because if he was, you already know what was gonna happen. And he ended up keeping straight but giving us the eyes. So we didn't care though. We don't get no fuck, bro. Like, we was respecting everybody on the E-way and all that. So it was just funny though. I thought I had to share that with y'all. He was following us like all the way. He came all the way from where we started all the way till we ended up turning off from him to see if he was following us, and he was, but he kept going. But yeah, right now we headed to the mall, man. Nothing crazy. Hopefully we can get a little more open road soon. Listen to that wine. Man, this car's amazing. But hopefully we get some open roads so we can do a little more action for you guys. Big red eye, you know how it go. Big kitty. Bro, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get some open road. Maybe get into a little more action with each other. Alright, man, we just got to the mall. Finding a park right now. It took us 16,000 minutes to find each other because they wanted to hit the exit differently. So I had to find a different exit and shit. So just looking for a park right now though. Get some food and go from there. I'm gonna get back to y'all though. You'll know how I go. What's up? We back with it. Just wanted to update y'all on what was going on after we left the mall and ate. We just ended up going to my homie's crib. I didn't record because there was a lot of cops on the E-way for some reason. They were also following us and all that stuff, all type of crap. So I just ended up, recording. So I'll make sure to put everything together, get my homies' point of views from the red eye and the scat pack, get all their clips and throw it all together for you guys so y'all can see every perspective. But other than that, yeah, nothing really happened. Like I said, it was just a bunch of cops, so we didn't really get to do anything, as you know, respectfully. So yeah, with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate that. I mean, do it at your own, like, I don't care if you don't or not. I'm doing this for my love, my sake for the community. I don't care what anyone does with my content. So do whatever you want. It'll be cool, but it's not mandatory, obviously. I don't care. Obviously, y'all know that. So with that being said, yeah, man, I'll talk to y'all later and see you in the next video.